Hey guys, I'm Nicole from Game Changer, and in this video we're going to take a look at what's inside the Game Changer box. So this is our box. We've got our characters right in front here. We've got our spinning wheel. You can use our wheel to help you decide. So for example, today we're playing the market game. And at the back you will see a list of all our 15 games and a short description about them. So now we're going to open the box and see what's inside. We first see our rule book. It's got all the instructions for all the 15 games. So it first tells you how to prepare, tells you which components you're going to use for the specific game, and then the setup, and then the gameplay. And then next we've got a board. We've got 3 parts to our board. If you open it up, on one side we get our dice game, and if you fold it in half, on one side we have the board for a numbers game, and then on the other side we have a board for the abstract game. And some more of our components, we have 1 dice, we have our character tokens, 7 character tokens, and then we've got our coins. These are used in some games. And then the 3 different sets of cards we have. We have the resource cards. It's got different types of resources in the middle. The reason why you see a path in the middle is because this is what we use in a game called the Tile Game. Second one is our action cards. There are 4 different triangles in the action cards used in 4 different games. Lastly, we've got our character cards. There are different characters in it who you'll get to know, and there are also different components within the card. This is used for the market game. This is used for both set collecting and number game, and this is used for the bluffing game. This is everything you need to play the 15 games in the Game Changer box.